And here we are at IKEA looking for our favorite cabinet for our room. We decided on 2 IKEA PAX Closet Systems. We use a very helpful computer tool to design our closets. We printed out our item list, and now it's time to go shopping. So just a warning up front, they did have all of our items except for the doors we needed. So those are on about a 3-month back order. When constructing the closet, we would have put the doors on first, but we ended up doing it last. And now here's your video tool to use to help construct your PAX system. Make sure that black clip goes through the hole in the backboard. That way the backboard gets pulled towards that brown board. It will definitely help to have someone push the board from behind or place an item up against it to help push it. And now the floor is done. Now let's start on the shelves. We want our basket to be as low as possible, so we're going to go up 5 holes. Now repeat on the other side. These corner plastic clips are just snap-togethers. That was easy. Basket is done. Now let's work on all these drawers. This board will go in at an angle as shown. If you know IKEA, then you know these little contraptions. These are going to help pull the front of the drawer to the sides. Right goes on the right side, left will go on the left side. We wanted as little space as possible from one drawer to the next. These little metal hooks are going to go into the hole on the back of the drawer. Lift up the drawer and slide in these metal plates. And now hammer in these plastic locking tabs. You use these to either lock the drawer in place or to open it up so you can remove the drawer. And of course, repeat this process on the other side. Done with the drawers, now we're going to install the top shelf, the easy part. Okay, the doors finally came in, so now we're going to install. These hinges have a gray tab. If they have a gray tab, that means they have the slow close feature. Make sure you have at least one of those on each door. I'm using my foot so it's easy to raise the door up and make sure that it's flush with the top of the cabinet. Because we're installing the doors last, it's a tight squeeze for that bottom one. Luckily it was the basket, so it gave us a little extra room to get those screws in. Put these little rubber bumpers on the corners to stop that wood-to-wood contact. Now we're easily going to install this close rod. We picked up two of these sensor lights I get installed at the top so that when the doors open up, the lights come on. The directions wanted me to put these plastic mounting brackets onto the walls first and then slide the light into it. I found it much easier to connect it to the light first and then slide it into place. Each of these brackets is different, so make sure you're using the right one on the right side. These are the sensors for the lights, so make sure that they're pointed to the outside. These are your wire sticky tabs that are going to hold the wire to the side of the cabinet. The directions wanted me to drill a hole at the top of the cabinet to feed this wire through. I'm just going to put it through this back opening. We wanted the light system hardwired so we didn't have to attach a battery pack to it and worry about batteries, so this is the item that we bought. I thought my lights were broken for a few minutes until I realized it had a switch. Make sure you flip it. The final touches now are to cover up the holes for the wall mount. And the PAX Closet System is now complete. I hope this video helped, and please consider following our travel channel. Scan this code.